And here we are with the last question. Okay, 5 times 5 to the power of 3x equals 5 minus 2x squared. What values of x will make that true? Well, here we're going to need to combine the powers on this side. We know that 5 can be rewritten as 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 3x equals 5 to the power minus 2x squared. And now these powers can be combined. When I'm multiplying, I add the powers. So 5 to the power 3x plus 1 equals 5 to the power minus 2x squared. Okay, so we need these to be equal, which means this must equal this, since they're both to the power of 5. Sorry, 5 to the power of that. So I know that 3x plus 1 must equal minus 2x squared. Okay, well, this is a quadratic equation, and when we're solving quadratic equations, we need to first make them equal to 0. Well, this isn't equal to 0, so let's do that. It's going to be easiest to move this minus 2x squared, because that'll make that a positive, which makes life a little bit easier. So let's move that to the other side, plus 2x squared, so we get 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals, and there's nothing left on this side, equals 0. Okay, now we need to factorise them. So we've got a coefficient of x squared that's not 1, so let's just check whether 2 is a factor. No, it's not. Okay, so we multiply the first and last, so we need numbers that multiply to 2 and add to 3. There are other ways of doing this, you may have been taught differently, but numbers that multiply to 2 and add to 3, those numbers are 2 and 1. So I need to rewrite this as 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, now I need to factorise my first half. 2x bracket x plus 1 plus factorise my second half, and remember I'm looking for my two brackets to be the same, so although you think that might not factorise, if I put a 1 in front of it, x plus 1, that's now factorised with both brackets the same. Okay, I can take my x plus 1 out because that's a common factor. X plus 1 brackets 2x plus 1 equals 0. So now I know that either x plus 1 equals 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, well, if x plus 1 equals 0, x equals minus 1. Or if 2x plus 1 equals 0, 2x equals minus 1. So x must equal minus a half. Oh, that's not a very neat 2. There we go. For what values? There was no context in this question, so both of these are valid answers. Good job. We've just finished the 2018 MCAT paper. I hope you found that helpful.